Welcome to 6th grade math. In this lesson, 6.5c, I'm going to cover how to use equivalent fractions, decimals, and percents to show equal parts of a whole. So let's take a look at this diagram. It is divided into 10 parts, and that is one whole. One whole divided into 10 parts. But that does not tell us anything about fractions, decimals, or percent. Now, if we take a look, we can see that a half is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, just a diagram divided into 10 parts. And now we can say half is shaded. So a half is shaded. So we have the shaded, and we can clearly see that it is a half that is shaded. We can also say that out of the 10 parts, 5 are shaded. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can also say it is 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. And 5 out of 10 can also be written as 0.5. So 0.5. So 10 columns, a half is shaded, which is the same as 5 out of 10, and 5 over 10 is equal to 0.5. So we have our fraction and we have our decimal. Now take a look when we have the 10 columns and now we have added 10 rows. We can see that 50, now we'll have 100 squares, and we can say 50 out of the 100 is shaded. So that is 50 over 100. And out of 100 is equal to percent. So 50 out of 100 is equal to 50%. Now, all these answers are correct. If we're asked how much is shaded, we know that it's a half, we know that it's 0.5, and it's also 50%. All these answers are correct, and they are all equivalent amount, just different ways of showing the same information. And we can conclude by saying fractions, decimals, and percents are ways of showing parts of a whole. I hope you find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up by pressing the like button. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.